Hi, my name is Shobi Raj, and I am your LegalShield representative. I'm going to be reviewing your LegalShield and identity theft benefits with you. I'd like to begin with LegalShield Protection Plan. A LegalShield Protection Plan gives you access to top-rated attorneys to help you with some of life's stuff. So once you enroll, you will download our app, and with a push of a button, you can call your law firm on unlimited amount of questions or things like refinancing, warning off debt collectors, dealing with your HOA or landlords, child support issues, child custody issues, paperwork to take care of your elderly parents, or any other life stuff. Your lawyers can also help with writing a letter to make things right. We had an employee that bought a computer screen, never even took it out of the box for over a year. When she finally did, it didn't work. So she called up the company and they said, sorry, it's out of warranty. She called the law firm and they looked over the warranty papers and they said, let's try to write a letter. So they wrote a letter to the company on their law firm's letterhead. And guess what? In a few weeks, she got herself a new computer screen. Make sure that anything you have to sign, like a rental agreement for your kids in college, car lease or mortgage papers, gym membership, is sent over to the law firm. As you know, the large print giveth and the small print taketh away. The first value you're going to get with our benefits is having a lawyer to prepare all your estate planning paperwork for you and your partner. This includes a will, a living will, healthcare power of attorney, and a minor trust for your children. The living will and the power of attorneys are especially important as loved ones are often locked out if we have to go to the hospital. We need to have someone designated to make decisions on our behalf. We also help with traffic tickets. This is especially helpful to keep points off your insurance. So if you have a teenager or you have a partner that drives like a teenager, this is very useful. This coverage is available in every state. If you do get sued civilly or get audited by the IRS, there's coverage for that as well. We know that we all have Miranda rights, but how will you enforce them? With LegalShield, all you have to do is press our red button on the app, and you will have access to attorneys within seconds. This is especially important if you're involved in a car accident where someone is badly hurt, or if you discharge a firearm because you're protecting yourself or your family, or you're having your children taken away by the state or being arrested. You do not want to incriminate yourself. All family uncontested services like divorce, adoption, and name change are all covered under this benefit at no extra charge. There are going to be times when you're going to have to hire our attorneys for such things as like a DUI or foreclosure, bankruptcy, immigrations, or if you want to sue someone. You can call our law firm and get advice, and if you want to move forward, you can shop around in our vast network of attorneys and get a never heard of 25% discount off the attorney's hourly rate. Never will you have to pay full price for an attorney again. However, 90% of our benefits are provided at first dollar coverage at no additional cost. Now I'd like to talk about our second benefit that we provide, which is Identity Theft Protection Plan. You can enroll in this for yourself and 8 other family members with the family coverage. We have an app for this as well. Identity theft has peaked this year, especially with all the recent breaches. In fact, it is the #1 complaint filed with the FTC. Most people don't even know that they are a victim of identity theft and until 6 months later, and they won't even know how it happened. So identity theft, most people think it's about credit, which is only about 30% of identity theft. There are lots of other forms of identity theft, things like driver's license identity theft, social security number identity theft, medical, tax fraud, criminal and character, and so on and so forth. We had a person who got pulled over for speeding coming back from vacation. So it was no big deal, just a speeding ticket, she thought. But when the cop ran her license, he found a warrant for her arrest. And he had to arrest her because that's the way identity theft is. You are guilty and you have to prove yourself innocent. Someone apparently had taken her driver's license information and they put their picture on her license, was driving around with this and getting tickets under her name. And she had no idea. If the member had our benefit, they would have been able to call our private licensed investigator who are on standby 24/7. We not only monitor your credit, but in fact, we monitor over 100 data points in thousands of databases. And if we find that your information is being used like in the dark web, we will send you alerts to notify you that something is not right. You just let us know if it was you or not, and if it's not you, you just send it over to us and we will get right on it. And we will have our licensed private investigator fix it. We do whatever it takes as long as it takes to bring you back whole. And we are the only ones that employ our own private licensed investigators and do whatever we need to get that fixed. Lastly, if you enroll in any of these benefits, your company provides a discount program through the Members Perk program. These are discounts on things that you already purchased. If you like to eat, we have discounts to restaurants. We have discounts to Grubhub, DoorDash, Home Chef. We have discounts on computers like Dell and HP. If you take your family to the movies, to AMC and Cinemarks, we give you 35% off those tickets now. If you have a cell phone, we give you discounts to your monthly bill. We have over 400 vendors that you already spend money on. To make the deduction amount for these benefits disappear, just use the perks once a month and you will save money on all your purchases. Again, my name is Shobhi Raj, and please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you for allowing me to share with you these benefits.